Strapping cart assembly parts. Install tires. Install cart's spindle. Tighten the fixing bolts. Install brake lever. Do not over-tighten the screws. Keep the brake lever flexible. Install the connecting spring of the brake lever. Install rear disc. Tighten the mounting bolts on back. Place the strap on disc. Install the front disc. Tighten the spindle nut. Strapping cart is assembled. Easily dispense straps with a gentle lift. Loosen the strap will stop dispensing.